Okay, so right now I'm going to begin pre-shading the GundamCustom. I'm doing the white parts right now. There's a lot of here, as you can see. It's going to take me some time. But, you know, with patience, it may come out well. Or I may ruin it, depending on everyone's point of view. Right now I'm working on the white parts, and then right now, is this the white part? No, this is actually the brown part. But I'm going to pre-shade it as well. Some parts is easy to pre-shade, while there's others that I'm going to question. Pre-shading the brown parts, pre-shading the white parts is understandable. It's the charcoal parts that I'm a bit... Actually, this is not charcoal. This is this weird lavender color, like lavenderish gray, which I'm going to paint it in a different color tone. But I'm hoping that the pre-shading will show when I do use another color tone over it. Vegeta, I believe it was Vegeta, did a pre-shading on charcoal parts a while back. I want to review his videos and see how he did it. Yeah, I was a bit impressed with that type of work. The priming came out okay, and I did sand down the parts that was oversaturated with paint with the primer. So I hope it looks good once I finish painting over it. I'm using the finishing surfacer black for the pre-shading. Don't know how that will come out, but we will see. We will see. Give me another part here I could use. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put this to the side. I painted this. Oh, that's right. For those of you who don't know, I painted all the charcoal parts, the inner frame, the weaponry, and all that stuff. And I also painted the inner frame here, the back plate of the shield to a charcoal color. Later on, I'm going to mask off. I think I'm going to mask off the whole thing and paint the edges the white tone color. But first, let's do this. Alright, I think that's good enough. Alright, let me continue on because I got a few more parts here to go. I got a lot of parts here to pre-shade. The grays, the whites, the browns, and then we'll move on to the regular painting of the colors, okay? So let me continue on. So first step is going to be the MS White from GundamCustom. There's a few parts here and there, but some that we need to, get out of the way. I'm going to try the shield first, since I've already pre-shaded this. The inside, of course, I won't paint. It's the outside. I'm going to leave it the way it is, and then I'm not going to paint the edges. I'm going to do this from a distance here. Looks good. And I'll let it dry, and then I'll highlight it up again if I have to. There's part of the bazooka. Starting to notice a lot of the paint is not being sucked into the spray booth. I think my filter is already filled up. I'll replace it after I'm done with the white. Hopefully I have enough filters, that is. Alright, that looks good. Let's do the other end. But this one I'm going to need to keep it firm like this so it's easy for me to work with. I gave this a 50-50 ratio of thinner and the paint. I think that's enough. The feet, which is important. It needs another pass, but I'll give it a, I'll do one later after it dries. Forearms. Okay. Same thing as before, I'll give it another pass. Here's portions of the waist unit. Not waist, I'm sorry. The at one of the torso area, the lower part of the torso. Looks nice. And before I grab another part, let me take care of these guys because I did appreciate these. that's good. Yeah, there's a few more parts to work with here, especially the, where are they? Oh, here it is. This guy right here. I don't want to oversaturate it like I always do with certain parts that I always say, oh crap, why did I do that? But these white parts need to be, you know, easily covered up and have good coverage. There's some more over there I gotta dig up, so let me finish up the white parts and then we move on to the next part of the build. So before I move on with the other colors, I did take some time to do some detailing, mainly like the weaponry, like you see here with the double beam spray gun and the sniper rifle. Also portions of the bazooka, especially this part, which took a long time for me to cover up this area. And I'm going to use a darker tone, which of course is the Titan Blue 1. Let's get this rolling. Some parts I had to mask, while other parts I will not mask, like this one. This is the inside of the back of the bazooka. As well as these as well. This one here. I'll get this out of the way. This is the part of the pistol, which I'm only painting the upper part of it. Good. And let's do this one. I I was considering metallic. But considering that I did not do metallic on the inner frame, and for me to put metallic on this one, well, maybe that's not such a good idea. So I decided to omit that. Alright, so that's good, but I got to paint the bottom part of this as well. Put it here. I got smaller parts here that I got to look at and review. So let me just continue on with this, and we'll move on to the next color part of this kit.